Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name's Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. Let's go and try to carry this out. Now I got $1 on my balance here and we can get down to trading, but obviously this is gonna be the first episode from this cycle because it's virtually impossible to make $100,000 out of one just for one trading session. So let's get started. We're gonna open a 1 minute position as usual and we start from $1 on balance. I have picked out the following indicators. The RSI, a period of 5 is used, the support trend and the fractal. So during this video you will learn how to success in trading using this indicator and you'll understand the principle of my strategy. So let's get down to trading and find the first currency pair. We also try to pick out the better payout rate. Well, let's analyze what do we got here, and we open a long position here and select the workspace. This is our first trade in the framework of our challenge. We see that the RSI is currently in the oversold zone, that's why we expecting a breakout. The support trend indicates that we should open a long. We also see a good correction here, and here we see a good touch of the support zone. That's why we gonna expect the break to the upside. Why not? And let's watch the outcome, guys. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Overall, the upward dynamics prevails in this zone and we are gonna wait for the breakout. Around 10 seconds left, guys. Let's just watch the price movement. And our position has been closed with a profit, guys. Let's put down all the money here on our trading and find the next currency pair. So continue the analysis. I guess you know I can't even tell you for sure where are we gonna stop today. Overall, I'm fine with the market behavior. Here probably the best course of action would we open a long position here, really on the super trend, the position to the upside, just flash, I mean our green moving average, and generally we can conclude that the local high is way above the current price movement and the breakout of this zone is very likely to happen, and the price should go even higher in the future. Exactly as predicted, guys, the price went up. Most likely the support trend has helped us out here to detect the straight entry, and we open a long because of its showing up here. However, if it weren't for this indicator, we could open a short here in theory because this support zone takes place here, but anyway, perfect trade entry and our position is in the profit. Let's update the trade amount and carry on the trading session. So let's continue our trading session, pick out the next trade entry, and here we see a good correction to the downside, then why not? Let's open a long here following the trend direction. Great impulse to the downside, and I'm sure that it will lead a new impulse to the upside. The support trend is also telling us about the upward dynamics, and overall we are gonna watch the continuation of the trend. Here we go. I think this it's the right trend entry. Here we analyze this correction perfectly, and there is around 20 seconds. And meanwhile we got $6 on our balance. Let's put down all the money here and continue our trading. We are not gonna drag this out. We will pick out the next currency pairs and carry on the analysis. Here we see the touch of the resistance zone and the updating of the local high. For now we're not gonna open here. Here potential reversal seems to be happening in theory. So why not, let's open a long position, guys. We understand the RCI dynamics, the crossing of the oversold zone is happening and the impulse to the upside should follow up. Here also the updating of the local low, and basically we could have seen a correction or a small pullback like right here. And why not, guys, let's try to play out this moment and open a long position. So let's change the trade amount and carry on trading, pick out the next currency pair. Well, here I see a potential long position. So there we go, why not? We open a long position following the trend direction. Overall, here is a good dynamics on the RCI, the upward dynamics that took place early on, then a little, quite good correction to the downside. Here the support trend shows up from the support zone that indicates an opportunity to open a long, and I guess we are likely to see the continuation of the upward dynamics. That's why we open a long here, guys. We see the intense pump and there are 20 seconds left before closing. Generally, if we see the support trend showing up, then we would better open a position. Whether long for a short, it depends on the color of this line. And basically we just follow the principle on open a trade and fix the profit, as simple as it, guys, and you can see a result by yourself. Let's change the currency pair, guys. Well, let's consider something in here. Maybe here we see good correction to the downside, so we open long here. Point out the workspace, we see that the RCI is the bottom and we're gonna wait for the breakout. Also here we got a very good correction that seems to be over. The local low is gonna be updated at this point and the price should go up. Also support trend tells us then it's more effective to open a long, and that's exactly what we did here, guys. We open a long position. Now here is the downward dynamics prevails, but we got a nice trade entry. Also the candle is in red. There are 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement. And our position has been closed with a profit. There is some trade entry just near the support trend line, so let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session, pick out the next currency pair. So what do we got here? Let's analyze. We have already opened a long here before, so we slowed down here a little bit. Theoretically here also a good correction, so yep, we open a long. Here we got a nice touch of the support zone. Also the chart shows us a good volume here and also good volume right here. So if we take a look at the support trends, and we'd better open a long. And that's exactly what we did here. We open a long following the current trend. We are seeing a good breakout already, and there is 30 seconds left before this closing. We are doing great, guys. We have good and nice pump here. And the best way to thank me, guys, to subscribe to the channel, put your like and leave a comment. I would be very happy, and it motivates me a lot to continue making content for you guys. So, and let's continue our trading session. We already got a nice profit from just $1. There is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair. We'll look for the better trade entry. And here is a great chance to open a long position. Let's do it without thinking twice. We see that the RCI is in the oversold zone and should go to the upside in theory. Let's also point of is this touch. So guys, let's also the updating of the local low according to the fractal, and here is the position for a long according to the support trend. And we followed all this recommendation and open a long. Also we got a nice trade entry level, and there are approximately 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch, guys. And last second, and the position is in the profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and carry on a trading session. Also refresh the page, and we continue find another currency pair for the better trade entry. So here we got a nice opportunity for opening a long position. The future movement is gonna be to the upside, that's why we open a long, guys. The upward dynamics takes place that RCI could be rejected from the oversold zone in theory. Here we got a nice support zone. The support trend also tell us that the best option here is opening a long. It shows the horizontal line here. So we opened a long following the trend direction. We see very low volatility here. Let's focus on our position and let's continue. And the position has been closed with a profit again. Like I said, we saw a low volatility, but the breakout eventually has happened. The position is in a profit. And let's open a final trade in order to consolidate the outcome. I think it's gonna be an out for today. So we open a final $220 position. And the continuation you will see in the next video. Let's find the final currency pair. Probably analyze everything as usual and open our trade. So here we observe a nice pullback, that's why we open a short position here. The crossing on the RCI did happen here. The movement is going down, then we also see a nice correction. The fractal shows us the updating of the local high. It means that the following movement is going to be downside, and we follow the logic. The support trend also shows that the price dynamics is going to be to downside, so we open a short position here following the trend. And overall the volatility is not that high, so we expecting the outcome. There are 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement, I think, guys. And yes, we earned profit, guys. There we go. That's what we have managed to achieve today, and this is where we stop, guys. We opened so many good trades today, and I'm okay with this outcome. and the continuation you're gonna see in the next video. So we stop right here for today. Be sure to put your likes and leave your comments down below, share your thoughts in this idea. I think we are gonna make it, and we eventually gonna see $100,000 on our balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my close Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.